Hello and welcome, baking enthusiasts. Get ready for a festive treat that's sure to delight. Today, we're making soft and fresh gingerbread, a classic recipe with a delightful twist. Let's take a look at what's needed. First up, the dry ingredients. You'll need 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 fresh eggs, and 140 grams of powdered sugar. Now for the wet ingredients. 200 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of gingerbread spice. It's time to knead all of the ingredients into a soft dough. Once it's ready, let it chill in the fridge. Roll out the dough to a thickness of about 3 millimeters. Start cutting out your favorite shapes, whatever you like. Now, place your creations on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Carefully arrange the gingerbread shapes on the baking sheet. Be sure to separate dough with a spatula. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit for just 3 to 5 minutes. Keep a close eye on them. And now for icing for the gingerbread cookies. You will need powdered sugar, egg white, and lemon juice to make the icing. Be careful to adjust the consistency yourself. The icing should not be too runny or too thick. Whisk until the icing is smooth. Let the kids get creative and decorate. Let the kids go wild with the shapes and designs. Have fun experimenting with patterns to make each cookie unique. Hope they turn out well and taste great. Enjoy your meal. Voila! Beautifully decorated, fresh gingerbread cookies, perfect for the holidays.